INAB stock analysis and INAB stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I want to start off by saying that IN8bio stock, 10% down is a bit. And one thing that I want to mention is that, like, did I have my previous predictions on the chart here? Seems like I do. Yeah, in which case, I was looking for a proper shift to take things lower, but no rules got met. So one thing that I want to say is that I'm going to mark out the lows. It's just consolidating here, in which case I just want to say that if it goes up a tad bit and like I'm not thinking of just short selling this, but like, because I don't think it's volatile enough or anything, but if I do see a double break, then yeah, fine. Wouldn't force it, but yeah. So let me know what is your opinion on this. Ultimately, if there's like a double break, yeah, sure, taking things lower. If not, I'm just not gonna buy. So I'll continue to keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.